we're going to Ikea today. First time. She's like elated about going.
So exciting.
Yeah. So, we'll update you throughout the day, but this is the Spinks sisters Ikea trip. Oh. Okay.
Applying there.
No one make fun of my car and how dirty the windshield is. But we made it. It kinda.
At the light, turn right onto South Barranca Avenue.
Thanks.
Then turn right.
Will do, Siri.
It's huge.
Riley's really excited. Oh, you can see it kind of right there.
Turn right. Then
Oh.
arrive at your destination.
Oh, they got a lot of flags and stuff. Ikea's like a furniture amusement park.
I'm so excited.
Like, what is up with all those?
Swedish.
Huh.
Turn right into the parking lot.
We did
then
it.
Arrive at your destination. Arrived.
How excited are you?
So excited.
Rylee.
We're in Disneyland of Ikea.
Rylee.
Have a bed frame here.
On a scale of one, hey, on a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
A million.
Rylee.
I'm breathing in the Ikea air. Smells like meatballs.
First impression.
I like it a lot.
Mom, say hi.
Oh my, it's very bad today.
We got some chocolate.
I'm gonna say on this, Rylee. So then, where should our next date be? Gotta get Rosie.
We've been in the store for about an hour and a half. And I'm kind of over it. Not gonna lie. The hype is okay. We have to wear a mask, but that's like California state ruling, something like that. I don't know, but what did you just get?
A bag.
I think these are all used. Can you get them from the bottom?
Going to find Rylee. She's hangry.
Meatballs. Time to wait in line and get me some food.
Hello, Mom. So apparently their cinnamon rolls are like world famous or something. So you know we had to get some.
So excited.
And then we got hot dog meals.
Yeah, a combo where you get 2 hot dogs with chips and a drink. So we did that and got some water.
This elevator's huge that we're going in.
Huge elevator.
But yeah, it's probably towards the end of our vlog, but we'll review everything that we got. Yeah. So we forgot to film yesterday, our outro. So here we are after our 1.5 mile walk. But nonetheless, thanks for coming with us and coming along on our first Ikea journey.
So
and
much
then
fun.
follow us on the social media on the next page.
Yep.
Catch you on the flip side.